So, hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, this is the channel. So, here we are solving ICSE syllabus class 10 mathematics. So, today's question is exercise number 1A. Exercise number 1A. The question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is done. Now, coming to the question number 8. The question number 8 is a dealer in Mumbai supplied some items at the following prices to a dealer in Delhi. So here the transaction is going between the interstate, that is Mumbai to Delhi. So find the total amount of bill have to be paid. So here some items are given, quantity is given, item rate per piece is given, then here quantity, number of pieces they are purchasing, then discount, then SGST. So here if it is intra-state, that means state to state, same state, within same state the transactions is going on, means we have to take SGST and CGST, but here they have given the Mumbai to Delhi. So here they given Mumbai to Delhi they are dealing. So this is becomes now IGST. So if it is IGST, then we have to double it. So 9% is there, we have to take it as 18%, because we are taking IGST, we are not taking SGST and CGST, because it is the transactions between the intra-state. So here the rate given, quantity given, discount is given, SGST. So now for SGST we have to make it as IGST, because this is interstate transactions. So now this becomes IGST. Okay. So if you have any doubt, so please comment me in my comment section. I will solve your problem. So after syllabus, I'll solve question papers also in between. After one chapter or second chapter. So let's check. So now let's start now. So rate is given, quantity is given, discount is given. They have to find MRP first. After that, for that MRP, IGST we have to calculate. Okay. So now sorry for the disturbance. So now IGST I take it as later. So now let's calculate the discount. Okay. So they said in percentage, discount it is in percentage. Okay. So now first thing, 180 per price, one per piece is 180, 10 pieces they are purchasing. There is no discount, so 180 into 10, that becomes 1800. This is MRP. Okay, then come to 260 into 20. 260 into 20. So 6 2s are 12. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 500. That is 5200. So now 310 into 30, 9300. 175 into 20, 3500. This is, we are not calculating discount yet. So now we calculate discount on MRP. So for first one there is no discount, they are not giving discount, that becomes 1800 as it is. Now for 5200 they have to calculate 20% discount, that is 5200 into 20%. So 5200 into 20%, 2020 get cancelled. 5052 into 20, so that is 52 into 20. 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 1040 we have to minus this here. So this becomes 5200 minus 1040. 0, 6, then we have 1, we have 4. So after discount is 4160. So likewise, then for third item they are not given discount, that becomes 9,200 as it is. Then this on 3,500 we have to minus discount 30%. After that it becomes 2,450. So likewise you have to calculate the discount. Now this becomes selling price. MRP is that much. They are giving discount to Delhi party. So after discount, the selling price will be this. Now we have to calculate IGST now, because this is completely, sorry, right here you put it column there. So now SGST they are given, so we have to double it. IGST, if they have given 9%, we are taking 18% for all, because they have given 9% to all. Here we are calculating IGST, so it becomes 18%. So now on 1,800, 18%. So how to calculate this? 1,800 into 18%. 2020 get cancelled. 18 into 18, 324. So this is IGST tax. For 4160, 18% means 748.8. Like this we have to calculate 4160 into 18%. Then 9,300 into 18%, 1674. Then 2,450 into 18%, 441. Okay, so this is our selling price, 17,710 plus tax 3,187.8. So they are asking us to calculate the amount of bill. Total amount of bill have to be paid. So seller making this bill to purchaser, buyer. So here this is the bill. So total bill is 17,710 plus tax. They have to add these two. Then it becomes the total amount of bill. Total amount of bill is equal to selling price plus GST. So if it is intrastate, we take CGST and SGST too. So now this is interstate, so that's why we are taking only one IGST. So for basic knowledge, you have to check my first video. You will get what is IGST, what is CGST, when we have to take CGST, when we have to take SGST, when we have to take IGST, you get to know. So now we are calculating the amount of bill. Selling price is 17,710 plus IGST is 3,187.8. So total amount of bill should buyer pay is 20,897.8. This much amount should pay by buyer. So please subscribe my channel for like this videos. If you have any doubt, please comment me. Share this video. So we are solving from first problem. Check it out my channel or playlist. You will get the all answers. Okay, now we'll go to the next question in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.